What is the average electrician salary in Tuvalu? The average salary of an electrician in Tuvalu is $5,500 a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax takes a share. After tax, this drops to $5,000 a year, which brings home roughly $417 every month. While that shows how much does an electrician make in Tuvalu overall, new workers start well below this figure. Entry-level electrician wages start lower, but pay goes up quickly as you gain practical experience. However, income plateaus early unless you take on supervisory duties. Having a university degree helps you move past that limit, though local rules do not always require one. On top of that, formal education opens doors to higher-paying roles like electrical engineer or project manager. That same principle applies if you focus on complex skills, because specialized electrician income in Tuvalu is noticeably higher. So learning trade extras adds up to much better average electrician pay over time.